Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rifani Nur Islami dengan NIM 23020031. Sini saya akan mengoreksi salah satu mahasiswa yang sedang melakukan seminar hasil pada tanggal 23 Oktober 2025.
Who has guided us from the student level. I'm Adlira Putri as the presenter for today, so please allow me to present our proposal solution with the title of Using Canva application to improve students' writing skill and disseminated mathematical information. In chapter 1, introduction, answer and reading person and training emphasize that this application can help in translating writing in a creative and more attractive form because of the latest features and data that is more precious than other applications. Therefore, Canva is a graphic design application that is optimized to support the learning process in a creative and flexible way. Based on observation made at a school called SMP in Samadani, Maluku, researchers found that students have difficulty in writing because of the lack of information given. They tend to prefer to do assignments with short rather than having to write on paper using a pen because it is considered more flexible and creative. There is two research questions. The first, does the use of the Canva application improve students' writing skills at SMP in Samadani, Maluku? The second, how is the students' perception of using the Canva application in the writing procedure test? Research objective was to analyze whether or not the use of the Canva application improves students' writing skill at SMP in Samadani, Maluku. The second, to know the students' perception on the use of the Canva application in writing procedure test. Scope of the research. This research focuses on teaching procedure test writing by comparing the use of the Canva application and the use of conventional method to grade 9 students of SMK Samadani. Topics to the procedure test include how to do something and how to make good on it. The assessment will be done by applying 5 aspects. The first is vocabulary. Chapter 4 is another review. How does affect students' writing skill and text work improving students' writing skill talks and communication for 7 grade students of the third, the effectiveness of Canva application media to improve writing skills of the 10th grade students at SMK students at the 9th grade of SMK in Samadani, Maluku. The center want to improve the students' writing skills by using the Canva application and using non-Canva application with 5 aspects. So that a total of 15% of respondents found they had difficulty of making image and graphic in Canva, while 35% of students that stated mistakenly and wrote strongly disagreed. Discussion. Based on the result of the study, the use of the Canva application during the learning process had a significant positive impact to the ability of 9th grade students to write procedure tests. This was evidenced by the difference in post-test results between the experimental group and the control group, where the average score of aim to improve students' findings while using the Canva application, particularly in writing procedure text. The findings involve a higher test on an experimental class compared with actual class. Based on the results of the students' perception questionnaire, it can be concluded that the use of high-quality writing received positive response. Most students stand that Canva interest and fun. Then we increase the interest and learning and is considered to make it easier for them to understand and remember the steps of writing. Suggestion from a teacher. Teachers are encouraged to use the Canva application to motivate students and facilitate their creativity, not only in writing but also in listening and speaking. For students are encouraged to use Canva not only in class but also in independent learning. The last for researcher, for future researcher, it is recommended for future explore additional indicators related to writing methods and conduct further research using a prudent evaluation of different students' level to engage findings regarding Canva's effectiveness in writing skills. That's all. I leave it back to the
Okay, well, thank you very much to Nifsani.
Oke, menurut saya dari penguasaan materinya, penyaji menunjukkan pemahaman cukup baik terhadap topik yang dibahas dan materi disampaikan secara runtun dan relevan dengan tujuan penelitian. Namun masih perlu sedikit pendalaman pada bagian pembahasan hasil agar meyakinkan dan jelas keterkaitannya dengan teori. Untuk kejelasan suara dan bahasanya, suara terdengar cukup jelas dan mudah dipahami. Bahasa yang digunakan sudah formal dan sesuai dengan konteks akademik. Menurut saya juga cara penyampaian materinya, penyampaian dilakukan dengan percaya diri dan terstruktur. Penyaji mampu menjaga kontak mata dengan audiens dan serta menjelaskan poin-poin utama dengan jelas. Meskipun begitu, tempo berbicara dapat sedikit diperbaiki agar tidak terlalu cepat pada bagian penting. Oke, penyaji tampak telah mempersiapkan materinya dengan baik. Slide presentasi juga tersusun sangat rapi dan membantu audiens memahami isi penelitian. Oke, secara keseluruhan penyaji telah mempresentasikan seminar hasil dengan baik. Penyampaian jelas, data mendukung, dan respon terhadap pertanyaan sudah cukup meyakinkan. Diharapkan pada tahap selanjutnya dapat memperdalam analisis dan memperkuat simpulan agar hasil penelitian lebih tajam dan berkualitas. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.